Good morning, class 10. Tomorrow, there is a pre-board of mathematics. So, today I will give some guidelines. How will you attempt the questions? I have already sent you some new pattern of the question for this session. So, I suppose you must have solved some questions, whatever I have sent you, and I am also sure you must have noted the syllabus, what has been deleted this session. So I give you some basic points to prepare. There will be 36 questions. Some internal choices have been given, and you will see the instruction very carefully. According to the construction, you have to attempt. Some internal choices, so you have to follow all these instructions given. So I start from probability, last chapter. Probability, very simple chapter. Questions regarding to tossing a coin, throwing a die, and taking a cards from well-suffered playing cards. I have already explained. The only thing you have to learn the formula. You have to simplify after putting the values. So, nothing is to be worried. You have to tackle the situation, whatever in the question. And I am sure you must have prepared. So in probability, very simple question. Either you have to take out one card from play card. Play card, I have already explained. There are two types of cards, black and red. Red cards have two varieties, heart and diamond. And there are also two varieties in black card, spade and club. So there are four varieties, two colors and four varieties. And each variety has 13 cards. 1 to 10 number card, because already number is mentioned in the card. 1, 2, 3 up to 10. And especially 1, that is called S. And remaining 3 cards are called face card, picture card, because picture is mentioned on the card. So there are 13 cards in heart, in diamond, in club and spade. And you should also remember that black cards 26, 13 spade and 13 club. And similarly in red cards, 13 heart and 13 diamond. So 52 cards all in all. Joker is excluded. No question of joker here. And coin, there are two surface, two face, head and tail. If you toss a coin, single coin, and if you toss two coins once, or a coin tossed twice, the result is same. And you should also know some definition, what are prime number, what are composite number. If you understand all these things, then you can solve the question relating to probability. Now come to statistics. In this chapter, mean, median, mode, mean there are three methods. One method is already deducted, a step deviation method. Two methods, direct method and assumed mean method. You should learn the formula. This is summation sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. So f is the frequency and x is the observation, which is given in the, will be given in the table. So you will make the column xi, fi. If the class is given, the xi is found by lower limit and upper limits, sum of these two limits divided by 2, that is xi. And fi, you know, frequency will be given. You multiply and you find the sum. Also you find the sum of frequencies. If you divide this by this, you will get the mean. Assumed mean method, ये जो है assumed mean method बोलते हैं, जो क्लास मार्क आएगा उसमें जो मिडिल पॉइंट है. So odd number, if number of observation odd, so mean middle point you can find very easily. But even suppose 8, so half of 8 is 4, either fourth term or fifth term. That will be assumed. And di deviation, इसको फॉर्मूला है xi minus a. di जो फॉर्मूला है xi minus a. तो इस तरह से क्लास में जब दिया रहेगा assumed mean से निकाल सकते हैं. उसके बाद surface area and volume के लिए you should learn the formula. Volume of cylinder, pi r square is curved surface, cylinder 2 pi r is whole surface. I have already explained, but here I would like to re-explain in very short. And conversion of solid when its object in any geometrical shape converted into another shape, the volume will be equal. Volume, not area. Volume will be equal, and if you learn the formula, then you can solve by the simplifying the unknown quantities. And area related to circle, sector, I have already explained. Central angle. If you draw a circle, and these two are the radius. This is central angle. This may be 30, 45, 60, 90, whatever. And this is the radius. So theta by 360, pi r square, ये formula है, area of sector. And length of arc, theta by 360, 2 pi r. 2 pi r means circumference, and this is area. So if angle, central angle is given, radius is given, you can find the value of sector. And if you take the chord, so this is a segment. This is the major segment, this is minor segment, this is minor sector, this is major sector. So in the area of और उसके बाद theorem बता दिए हैं. Theorem in triangle, two theorems you have to study. Thales theorem and Pythagoras theorem. Converse of Pythagoras has been deleted. And also the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is also deleted. So two theorems in triangle and no deletion in the circle chapter. Circle both the theorems. One theorem I have already yesterday explained. Length of tangent drawn to a circle from an external point of equal. And questions on the basis of these two theorems. 6.1 and 6.2, 6.3. And also of the circle construction, you have to draw a pair of tangent from external point, the distance given, or you have to divide a line segment given of the measurement in some ratios, 3:2, 1:4, 6:5, like that. So you will see these questions. In AP में क्या है कि nth term a plus n minus 1 into d, a is the first term, n number of term, d common difference, and some of the word problem is not included, has been deleted here, problems on daily basis. So only you have to learn the sum of the numbers if they are in AP. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into whole into d, or Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. So AP coordinate geometry, section formula, and the distance between the 2 points, under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus by 2 minus y1 whole square. सेक्शन फार्मूला अंदर x2 फार्मूला इसमें डिस्टेंस कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में, और अलजेब्रा में देखिए, अलजेब्रा में एपी में अलजेब्रा ही में है कोऑर्डिनेट इक्वेशन, solving the quadratic equation by computing a square, by quadratic formula, by factorization. You will use zeros. Polynomial में how will you find the zero? Zero means the value of the variable which satisfies the given equation. On putting the value of x or y, whatever variable is given, so if the value is zero, so that value is called zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, maximum degree of the variable is 2, the number of zero will be 2. Cubic polynomial, number of zero will be 3. But quadratic polynomial is important. Linear polynomial only 1 zero. और HCF LCM में देखिए, so Euclid division lemma has been deleted, no need. So you will learn the finding HCF by fundamental theorem of arithmetic, and by that is called by finding the prime factor. So all these things you have to learn, and so you will try to linear pair of equation means solving the equation. Word problem, you will go through the word problem, you try to establish the given equations, and then you solve by any method, by elimination, by substitution, by elimination, or by graph. If suppose solving the equation by graph, you will be given the graph paper if the question is. So these are the some general guidelines I have given for all the chapters. So HCF and LCM and polynomial, and also proof that root 2 or root 3 or root 5 or root 7, no rational number, very important question. This type of question you should try to learn. And calculation you should do very carefully, because calculation is important, formula is also important. You learn the formula, you use and you simplify, you will get your result. So this is the instruction in general for tomorrow's exam. So I wish all of you very nice day today, and I hope you will do very fair in the exam. Thank you and good night.